Sa cellphone, pwede kang maging forever young. Pero ibahin nyo ang babaeng ito para talaga siyang hindi tumatanda.
You're always on my mind. It's how much I can't think of a time.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ha?
Be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Welcome yung araw mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday! I hope to see you soon. God bless and everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello ma, happy 68th birthday. Sa ikuro siya kayo pumunta. Ganda kayo ni Kuya Bilay kan arawit sakit. Kan kumon. Maayos lamay kinyo tantan makaon laki mo lagya ko mo. Narumi kayo maong. Mama.
Mama, today is your birthday. Binabati kita mama sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. Happy birthday. Mama, wishing you a good health and more birthday to come. Ma, inihiling ko din sa iyo na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng habang buhay at bigyan ka ng malakas na pangangatawan. Yun lang lagi kong hiling sa inyo, mama. Mahal na mahal po kita, mama. I love you. God bless, ma.
Hello ma. Happy 60th birthday. Malbalig yung salamat sa ipanangaruyod si kami. Pumunta na gamura yun namin so pangarap yun. Pumunta makaulaki mo na siya panakasigas. Kasi kaso yun na lang sulaman yun. We miss you and we love you so much.
Happy birthday ma. Sana lagi kayong malakas. Mag-ingat palagi. Andito lang kami, mga anak mo, mga apo mo. Love namin kayo. Love you. Happy birthday ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, ma. Wish ko po bigyan po kayo sana ni Lord ng habang buhay. I love you.
Hello mother. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello po ma, happy 68th birthday po sa inyo. I wish you all the best po. At sana po lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad na. Inaraarot ta kayo ma. Kayo ganun papa. Salamat ibalbalagan si kayo. At saray sakripisyo yung para si kami sa anak yo. Salamat ibalbalag. I love you po and I miss you.
Hello ma, happy birthday ma. Salamat pa nangarit si kami nga sari ako yung ma. Kaso yun lanang sulaman yung ma. Pagkasa kayo lanang. Narami kayo ma. Love you ma. Apoy ni baga dya ugali yung ma. Sang kamawang kayo. Narami kayo. Si papa ma narami. Love you ma. kuma na ako na ibaga personal na nababaingan na katon message ko la dyan ma. Love you ma.
Happy birthday, Ma! Stay healthy! I love you!
Hello, Ma! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Ma. I just want to say that happy birthday. Thank you for always taking care of us. And also, thank you for being grateful. Thank you very much for always giving me an advice. And also, thank you because even though I'm very pasaway, you took care of me. And also, thank you for that thing that you gave me. Always take care of yourself. And my wish for you is have a healthy body and long life. Happy birthday, Lola. Enjoy this special day and I love you so much.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Salamat po sa pag-alalaga niyo sa amin. Yan lang po.
Happy birthday. Mahulog ang di balita ay kami na love you ma. Narito nga inaman kayo. Inaalong ay si love you. Bye-bye. Miss you. Okay po, Tina. Happy birthday, Lola Mama.
Happy 60th birthday, Mother. Thank you dahil andyan kayo lagi sa amin. And sana laging malakas kayo. I love you, Mother.
Happy birthday, Mama Kareng. Ingat po palagi dyan and stay pretty pa rin. And enjoy your birthday.
Happy 68th birthday. And yung message ko sa inyo, babasahin ko na lang. Happy 68th birthday, Mother. Thank you for being my second mom. And way back ng college days ko, ikaw yung kasama ko sa graduation ko nun. At salamat kasi kahit di mo kami niluwal ng mga kapatid ko, pero tinuring mo kaming mga anak mo. O, diba? Swerte namin kasi dalawa na ang mama namin. Tita na nga, mama pa. Total package na. Basta lagi lang kami andito para sa iyong mother. Salamat sa lahat. At ang wish ko lang sa inyo na lagi kayong healthy at malayo sa sakit. At lagi lang kayong magdasal at mag-ingat, mother. I will always love you. And happy 68th birthday. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Mother, happy birthday to my deserving mother. Happy birthday, you have always been my favorite person of the family because of the wise life of our room. Here's a special festive toast to you, amazing mother.
Hi Tita Karing, happy birthday. I hope you have a good birthday and you eat a lot of good food. And I hope you like our surprise.
Hi Tia Karing, kamusta po? I wish you greet ko po kayo ng happy 60th birthday. And then sana marami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa'yo. And God bless you and your family. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Love you.
Hi, Auntie Karen. Happy 60th birthday po. Just for Kalani. God bless you.
Hello, Auntie Karen. Happy birthday. Miss ko. Stay healthy. Sana yung patuloy yung kanyo.
Hi, Ate Karing. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Come on, napalikat mi kadsaya kiyan birthday na 60th birthday. Surprise. Happy birthday, Ate Karing. We love you very much. Okay? Ang tamlatan. Si kaso timayo na second mother ko. So, pagtan ka nainay. San ka maungan ka na hipag. Thank you so much. I love you.
Hello, Sister Karing. Happy birthday. 60 ka na. Wish ko, sana matupad na lahat ng pangarap mo. Alam ko naman na yun lang ang gustong-gusto mong maabot. Sana wala nang maging problema pag balik nyo dito. Love you, sis. Mahal na mahal kita. God bless. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Lola Karing.
Happy birthday po, Lola Karing.
Happy 60th birthday,
Lola Karing. Happy birthday.
more birthday and more.
Yan.
Let's dance. Happy birthday.